Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And this headset, Bluetooth sport headphones. Right, here's the specs. Not sure what this means. Maybe color. Pop. And we have the flexible wire here. And then it's magnetic. Connects to each other. It doesn't just hangs. And the screen here. Maybe a power button. Speaker button. USB-C charger. And the speakers in front. And then we have the USB-C cable. And then wireless manual. I mean, the manual. And that's it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.